but I didn't see like the actual playthrough of it. I just saw him like reacting to a clip of it, and so apparently it's supposed to be really scary. So I was actually recording maybe for a couple minutes before this, and I had to stop midway through because, so basically before I go on further, basically what had happened is you got into a car crash and you're trying to find help for your husband. And this is really weird because I feel like I'm just going in circles, am I? No, I'm not. The controls on this are kind of weird for me, so bear with me. So I can't go this way. Oh, I guess I can. This is like massive potato. Okay. So, come on, come on. Yes, yes, we made it. Haha. At long last, we did it. Okay. Yeah, I'm still getting used to these controls. Oh no, I don't want to say they're broken, but they kind of are. This door's open. Go inside. Hell yeah. What a creepy building. I know. Oh, shit, that kind of scared me. Okay, did the door just lock? Okay, hello? Alright, yeah, this is already kind of creepy. You guys hear that? So they're just bathrooms. Looks like search for two missing campers in the Poncono Mountains. Manson, Sea Sergeant, and Lori Summers of Long Island, New York, have been missing. So, since June 8th, their campsites and belongings have been located, but the investigators have few leads. Police say there are no longer visible signs of struggle, and this, the other. Alright. Okay, why'd that? Oh, that was just me. What is this? Looks like a key. Oh. Yo, that kind of scared me. Not gonna lie to you guys, I'm a little spooked. Okay, yo, this shit better not just be a maze. First one, I just heard somebody else walking. But that's just my mind playing tricks on me. Oh, is that upstairs? Okay. What the hell? Shit. Nope. Guys, I'm being dead serious. I'm not scared of like very many games, except for a couple select few. But this shit is tripping me the fuck out. Since 19, yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys read that. I'm gonna stretch it. That it's called Babysitter Bloodbath or something like that. I'm not really sure. I downloaded these maybe an hour ago. No, maybe 30 minutes ago. I don't know how I forgot the name. But maybe I should start up a series on my channel where I play some scary games. I'm not sure. Can I search you guys? No? Is this door open? Okay. Mean. So, what's in here? Okay, nothing's in here. Oh, look, another upstairs. Okay. Oh, we got another other thing we could read? Come on. Come on, controls. Let me in. Yes, read it. Okay, so... Oh no, that's not good. Oh god. Okay, so we're back where we started. What the hell? Alright, is there anything else? I don't know what it's a locked door. I feel like I'm being watched here. Yeah, you more than likely are, bitch, if you just got murdered. But... Okay, so yeah, alright, that was probably just like a little glitch, but... No. We have not... Okay, now that was not a fucking glitch. That almost looked like I'm pretty sure it was a pentagram. Look at this guy. What a beautiful smile. Alright. Yeah, we are doing something right. Yeah, because we haven't been through here. So are these just more bathrooms, or... Let's try to go through here. So, did we do something right? I think we did. What's that? Okay, well, what's that? Okay, nope. No, it was just a dead end. So we're gonna try to go through here. Take a parent, right? Okay, yeah, this shit's almost built like a maze. Did I just go in a circle? That almost sounds like a squirrel. Okay, is there no exit to this bathroom? Okay. Yeah, bitch, your heels are low-key kinda loud. So, okay. Oh, shit! Okay, I'm starting not to think that's a glitch anymore, because it's happened multiple times, and trust me when I say, my computer isn't that okay. My computer's not that fucked up. Haha, okay. Another noise. We're gonna grab this monster, whatever the fuck murdered us last time, we're gonna grab it by the balls, and we're gonna crush it like it's fucking... Oh my fucking god, guys. Oh shit. Alright, y'all guys, we're not playing that shit anymore. Fuck, I'm turning on my light. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, nope, nope. Fuck. Alright guys, my fan is on. I'm so fucking sorry. That shit was fucking scary. Oh, I'm almost teary-eyed. That... Oh my god. Oh fuck. Alright guys. Oh fuck. Alright, I'm not gonna play this shit anymore. Unless you guys really fucking want me to. This shit is not gonna happen. Holy shit. Oh, I had to take off my headset there for a second. Oh my god, guys. You would not believe how fucking scary that was. Oh, okay, we're quitting. We're quitting. I'm gonna go play Counter-Strike or whatever the fuck else I got. Not playing this shit. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. If this shit gets like, I don't know, fucking 5 likes or 2 likes, I don't fucking care. Anything 5 and above likes, I'll play it. I'll play it again. I'll play fucking the other babysitter game. But oh my god, that shit was scary, guys. So yeah, guys, oh man, I'm shaking. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and you guys have yourself a great day. Peace out.